great. I hope, yeah, so I'm so happy to be back doing this video for you guys. It's always a pleasure to work with Firmoo. I'll put the information down below, the name across the screen in case I'm butchering the name. But you guys know I've worked with them several times before. This will be my, I think, third pair of glasses that they've sent to me to review or whatever. Of course, I picked out the style and whatnot. These are also a pair of their glasses. I've had these for well over 6 months now. More than 6 months, but I'm not exactly. Under a year, but more than 6 months. I'll put a link to the video where I opened these and reviewed these. They've held up great. You guys already know, y'all see me in these all the time. I love them. I love the big frame. They fit my face perfectly. They're just like a really nice pair of glasses, like, period. Like, I absolutely love them, okay? But they sent me, I got another pair of glasses from them, and they came in the mail the other day. And I'm just so excited because their glasses are never more than $39, so they're always under $39. Shipping is quick, depending on what style that you choose, but they have all types of styles and colors that you can pick from. And so I'm going to show you the ones that I got today. And they always send you a cute little soft, like, I think it's like microfiber soft little pouch that you can keep your glasses in. And they always also send a little screwdriver, keychain. That's like a little mini screwdriver to, if you have to adjust your glasses for any reason. They also sent the little nose cushions in case you know, you have to replace them. All glasses don't have the nose cushions, but they send those to you also. And then, so let's take these off and try on the ones that they sent that I think are so cute. I just been waiting to try these on. So they look like this. They put you in the mind probably of the ones that I already have. They're dirt. I need to clean mine. These are the ones that I've already had them for a while. These were clear with gold trim. These are very similar. The shape is a little different and they're not as big, but they're clear. And if you look really close, they're like a rose gold, pinkish color. I would call it rose gold. Yeah, like I was saying, they always give you a little cloth to keep your glasses nice and clean. So this is what these look like. Super cute though, right? Like, I don't even know if you can see the cuteness in these. I probably need to go outside so y'all can really get a good look. I'm really feeling the like color. They look good on. Oh my gosh, like I'm looking in the mirror and it almost looked like I have nothing on my face. Like from a distance, you wouldn't know that I had on glasses. That's like how well they blend into my face. I love the shape and everything. So these are definitely gonna be like a new favorite. Ooh, yeah. Those are cute. Can't wait to take some pictures. Mwah. Yes. So, guys. Yes. Oh, these are really cute. So, yes, I'm going to put all the information down below in the description box. They have a promotion going on right now. I believe it's buy one, get one. Something like that. I'll put all the information down below. And yeah, you guys, if you wear glasses and you want to wear, you know, nice glasses but don't want to break the bank, and you like to have different style of glasses depending on what outfit you have, Firmoo makes that easy for you to do, because you don't have to spend like hundreds of dollars just to have a nice pair of looking glasses. So be sure to check out their website. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And like always, until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique.